Alright guys, welcome back. So, got the bumper all painted now, apart from lacquer, and obviously a little polish. But you can see, I've got it looking pretty good. So, I'm just going to get some lacquer now and spray over it. And hopefully we should be done with the bumper. We can buy this badge bit trim, and then and get it fitted to the car after built the front end up. So let's get some lacquer on it, see what it looks like. I've got a mask on, so it might be a bit weird, but I've put the lacquer on. I've put about 3-4 coats. Doesn't look very shiny, so I'm hoping that when I polish it after it's dried it should look good, but I'm not sure. Maybe the lacquer's not the best or something. I'm not 100% sure. This is the lacquer I've used. People can tell me in the comments if that was a good or bad idea. I guess I'll find out, and I'll find out though when I start to polish it. So it's had about 3-4 coats, so we'll have to just wait and see. Hoping it works, and I can take all this masking off, and hopefully there's not a big line there, but I think there might be. But I'm sure we can sort it out. Same with this. I messed up here. I should have covered all this. I didn't think it would get this. I would get this carried away with it all, but yeah, I should be able to clean it up anyway. Just sand it back and do what I need to with that. But yeah, the rest of it's looking good. I'm just hoping that when I polish it, it comes out well and nice and shiny. Alright, so I've waited 24 hours and I've just sanded it down with some 3000, because I've only got 1500 and 3000 grit. I don't have any 2K. So I tried just 3000, but as you can see, well, this is what I've sanded. It's still very pitty. I mean, it's better, but it's still very pitted. So I tried polishing it a little bit and it came up great, but like it's proper shiny now and smooth. But I'll try and focus it. You can still see all the little pits. So I think I'm gonna have to do 1500 and then 3000 and hope that it looks alright. Because yeah, I mean, it looks decent from a distance. You can see the light in it. If I polish it a bit more, it'll be even better. Proper soft though, but it's still very pitted. So I think I'm just gonna hit it with some 1500 and 3000 and hope that is enough. I'll just try it, see what happens. It's all a learning curve. Where the tape was as well, there's this line now. I've smoothed it back, but you can see like the primer and then the paint, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that yet. Alright, so I've just hit it with some 1500. As you can see now, it is very dull. You can see a little bit there. There you go. It looks a lot better. I can't really show it on camera that well. So I'm going to try polish up this little area again and see what it looks like. Alright, that was like a 10-second polish. Non-existent there, and then you can see it there. It's still quite scratched up, but it looks a lot better than before. You can't see all the orange peel. I mean, there's still some, but you know, it's a million times better. So I'm just going to sand the whole thing 1500, then 3000, and then polish it all. Hopefully we should have a nice shiny bumper. Alright, so I finished polishing the bumper. Didn't come out the best, so I'm just going to leave it for a bit. People say you should leave it a little longer before polishing it after clear coat, so I'm going to leave it a little bit longer, then try and sand it and polish it again, see what that comes out like. But while I'm waiting on that, we're going to start with this front end on the Astra. So put you on a little time lapse and take all these parts off and put the new bits on.
We were traveling the mountains just to find a light.
Alright, we've got all this front end sorted now. Just put this one back in, we just bolted it in. We haven't clipped it over there yet, wait till the headlights go on. Got the top piece on. Got the air duct in. AC. I think that was about it. We didn't change this one, we haven't got it. Where's that here? All that's broken is this little tab here that goes there. And the headlight I've got, also that tab's broken, so kind of pointless changing it. We might change it, but I don't think there's any need to. We just need to go sort the headlights out now. Get them all, what's it called? Repair kits. Get the repair kits sorted in the headlights, and then we can fit them. Alright, so we've got a couple headlights here. Obviously, got the two original. I bought a new one. And then they sent me the wrong one. So then they sent me another one. So we're going to try and make 2 good ones out of 4 not the best ones. We've also got some new clips and stuff for them. So let's quickly get on with that. Alright, so Grant has tried to fix these headlights. Now, to be fair, the kit that I've bought, it's like not, it's for the Astra J, but not the GTC model. And I can't find the GTC headlight repair kit anywhere. So we've kind of had to mess about with what we've got. This one was already good. The only thing that was missing off this one was this. So we're going to try glue that on somehow and mess about with that, get that spotted. But, I mean, it's solid anyway. See the gap here? Spot on. This one, we still need to get one here. It's got a mount up here. We repaired one down in the bottom, so it's got another mount there. We need a third mount really here, and then this one 4. But you can see the gap. We've got that spot on now. So we just need to mess about with this. Try and get these clips to work somehow. Glue them on. There was a crack in that one as well, which Grant sorted, so that's good. Alright guys, we're going to leave the front end for today. I'm going to mess with that a different day. Just get on with some other stuff that we can actually do for a minute. So we're going to remove the dashboard, put the new airbag in. Start off with the steering wheel, figure out how to do that. Then we'll remove the dash. Looks straightforward enough, so hopefully we can get that done in the next couple hours. Probably set up on a little time lapse and some watchers pull it out. Alright guys, we've changed all the airbags out now. The dash is done, steering wheel's done. Took us about just under 3 hours, so not bad. We just need to change the seat belts now. We've got 2 seat belts to do. Oh, we'll probably just do that off camera because there's already like plenty of footage in this video. But I'll quickly just show you and then probably just do it off camera. Show you before and after kind of thing. So got this seat belt, it's proper tight, so we'll have to cut it at the bottom. And then we're just going to remove all these pieces on the side here probably. We have to move everything. Have to remove that whole door card much?
Nah, probably just peel it back, right?
Yeah. Oh, it might be up. I don't know actually. Yeah, we'll see.
There's too much tension at the moment. So.
Some of my camera lens. Yeah, we'll get that done. The airbag ECU, I thought it was in here. I removed it, but put it back. It's actually under here. So we're just going to replace everything, get the seatbelts done, and then we're going to see if we can clear it. If not, we'll have to send it away. So we'll quickly get that sorted now. Well, it's looking great in here now. Oh, just quickly, if you are doing this, literally all the bolts, we haven't got any left. Actually, pot's empty. They were all 7 mils, 10 mils, and then there was four 13 mils in the steering column, and there was 2 Phillips in here, one either side. So it's really basic to do. It's quite easy. A lot of things are just clipped in. All right, so we finally just finished the seat belts. It took us over 2 hours. Literally, probably longer than the dash took us, because I might have bought the wrong seat belts a little bit. These was for a 5-door, and we've got a 3-door, so we had to like change parts from the old one and stuff. It's quite a nightmare. But also, these seat belts are not the easiest to do. I'll just turn around and show you. Alright, so these are the seat belts, all finished now. Work perfectly. But yeah, so you got to take the whole trim off here. You got to take this whole card off, this top piece. Obviously the same on the other side. And there's a big bolt up here, T50 I think it was, and T50 down there. And then you obviously disconnect it, but you've got to also take this apart. Where's it at? On that side. Take this off. There's like I think it's a 10 mil bolt or something in there. Got to dismantle that so this comes into 2. And obviously feed it through here and stuff. One of the connections for the airbag thing was different, so I had to cut it and solder it off the other one. And then also the bolts, how it connects to here, was different, so we had to take the ones off our old one and put it onto this one. But yeah, it's all sorted now. Seat belts are done. Obviously the dash is all done. Just got to clean up all our tools, and I've got to connect the battery back up and hope that it all works. Alright guys, so obviously I was saying the seat belts are all done, the dash is all done. I've just started it up, and I got on my diagnostic, and it had obviously loads of codes for the airbags and stuff. Cleared it all, and the airbags have gone, so don't even need to send off the airbag ECU, so we can put the side panels on. The Grand's got there. Put the side panels on and we're good to go. So we're really happy about that. I mean, I don't know how I paid for this dashboard and steering wheel airbag. I paid £24 delivered to my house. I don't even know how. The seat belt, the left side was 30 quid, right side was 30 quid. So what was that, £84 for the whole airbag system. And obviously I don't need to send that ECU off anymore, so I'm buzzing about that. But yeah, that's all sorted now. So we obviously just need to finish the front end, get a new windscreen, sort the bumper out, and service it, and it's ready to go. Alright, thanks for watching this video guys. Obviously there'll be probably one more video on doing the rest of the little bits that need doing, but I'm buzzing with this airbag kit, and obviously the airbag light's not on now, so that's brilliant. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.